So how can you identify if the Apple Watch is original, right? So let me talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are naturally some obvious giveaways about the quality. And, once you go through the software a little bit, you should be able to see the difference. But generally speaking, the best way to see if the Apple Watch is original would be to check out the serial number of the device. So if you're buying it online or in person, you can check it out. It is all over the watch. It is in the watch like settings, general and about. You'll be able to see it there, or it's also in the iPhone's watch app and there again in the general and about. But the point is that there is going to be a serial number and you want to check it officially on Apple's website. So you can go to the Safari on literally like any device, right? And you can check out the website called checkcoverage.apple.com. This is a place where you can check the warranty situation and when the device has been purchased. But in our case, we just want to make sure and see that the device, that the serial number gets recognized by Apple. And if it does, if it officially is part of Apple's like directory, then you'll be able to be sure that this is an original, genuine device and it's not some, knockoff or something else, right? So that is how you can do it. That is by far the best way to check it out. So whenever you're buying something online like the watch, just ask for the serial number and that is how you can make sure it works. So that is something which you can do, but obviously it's better to buy it in person if you can. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.